We never imagined a time would come before 2030 when a full-sized humanoid robot would cost just $3,000. But now, Hugging Face is about to change everything with its latest open-source robotics revolution. They are known for being one of the most influential open-source AI platforms, and they are bringing this into robotics with the announcement of two new humanoid robots, HopeJR and Reachy Mini. When it comes to HopeJR, it is a new full-sized humanoid robot that is estimated to cost $3,000, which, to be honest, it's a fraction of the cost of most humanoids today, and it will make robots to be accessible to more people. In terms of what we know so far about the robot is that it has 66 actuated degrees of freedom, which gives the robot capabilities of walking, moving its arms, and performing complex physical tasks that normally require very expensive and closed-source machines. It's designed to be completely open source, which means that anyone, from researchers to robot hobbyists, they can build, modify, and understand exactly how the system operates. Then there's Reachy Mini, which is a compact desktop-sized robot designed for AI experimentation. It can move its head, speak, listen, and interact with users, making it perfect for testing AI applications in real time. Priced between $250 and $300, it's an affordable gateway into robotics for students and startups. For those who don't know, Hugging Face's push into robotics comes after its acquisition of Pollen Robotics, which provided the expertise needed to bring these bots to life. The company is also expanding its LeRobot platform, adding more AI models and datasets, including training data for self-driving machines.
Let me do salute.
Yeah, over here. Okay.